How to change Yahoo homepage back to classic view. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change the Yahoo homepage back to classic view. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. Step number 1 is signing into your Yahoo account. Go to yahoo.com and enter your email address and your password. After that, click on sign in. Go ahead and access up the settings. Click on the gear icon in the top left or top right corner. After that, select settings from the top down menu, and on step 3, switch it to the classic view. Scroll down to the appearance section and click on the classic view. After that, click on save, and by following those steps, you'll be successfully switched back to the classic Yahoo homepage view. So that is it. That is how you can change up your Yahoo homepage back to classic view by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.